In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching 3D pyramid in Microsoft PowerPoint using built-in tools and a few smart tricks. If you want your slides to stand out, a 3D pyramid can instantly add depth and polish, and you can build it right inside PowerPoint without any external software. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Load the presentation where you want to add the 3D pyramid. This can be an existing deck that needs a visual boost or a brand new file. Navigate to the specific slide where the pyramid should appear. If the slide is busy, consider switching to a cleaner layout so the 3D object has room to breathe and stays the center of attention. Now look to the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is your home base for adding visual elements. In that tab, find 3D models. This feature lets you place fully interactive 3D objects right onto your slide. Click 3D models, then choose Stock 3D models. PowerPoint will open a searchable library of ready-made designs you can use immediately. In the search bar, type pyramid and press Enter. You'll see several pyramid options, each with a different style and feel. Take a moment to preview them. Think about which one best fits your message. A clean geometric pyramid for a modern look, or a more textured model if you want something with extra visual interest. When you've found the right one, click Insert. Your pyramid will appear on the slide, ready to customize. Use the corner handles to resize it proportionally and drag to position it where you want. You'll notice a 3D rotation control that lets you tilt and spin the model. Gently rotate it to find an angle that adds depth without distracting from your content. Subtle angles often look more professional than extreme rotations. If alignment guides appear, use them to center the pyramid or align it with your headings so everything feels intentional and balanced. Take a quick look at your slide as a whole. Make sure the pyramid doesn't cover important text and that there's enough contrast between the model and the background. If needed, adjust its size or position so it supports your message rather than competing with it. A well-placed 3D object can make your audience pause and pay attention. And that's it. You've created a 3D pyramid in Microsoft PowerPoint using stock 3D models, and you now know how to insert, choose, position, and rotate it for maximum impact. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new upload.